Good morning, class 7. Today we are going to do chapter number 9, Commercial Mathematics, exercise 9.7. Okay, so question number 5. Here simple interest is given 1770 rupees, time is given 2 years, rate is given 10%. Now you have to find the principal. So again we'll write the formula of the simple interest, that was P into R into T by 100. After that you just leave P on one side and bring all the other things on the other side. So SI, this is in division, so when it will come on the other side it will become multiply. So SI multiply 100 divided by R and T will come in the denominator, so it will be R into T. Now put the values. Simple interest is given 1770 rupees, multiply 100 divided by rate, that is 10, multiply 2 because time is given 2 years. Now after that solve it out, 0 will cut. This will become 17,700 divided by 2. When you'll cut it out, you get the answer 8,850. Means this amount after 2 years will get this much interest. Okay. Now next question is question number 6. Here principal is given, rate is given, time is given. Now you have to find the simple interest and then you have to find the amount she has received after 3 years. Okay, so what will be the amount? That will be the principal plus the interest. So first of all find the interest. What will be the interest? That is again P into R into T by 100. Put the values. That will be 15,400 multiply 8 multiply 3 divided by 100. Okay, 100 0 will cut each other. Now what is left? Multiply them all. We get rupees 3,696. Okay, so amount she received after 3 years will be principal, that is 15,400 plus simple interest, that is 3,696. When you add them we get rupees 19,096 rupees. This is the amount she will receive after 3 years. Now in question number 9, principal is given, rate is given, time is given. You have to find the simple interest. Now and you have to find after that amount the farmer has to return, okay, after 3 years. So again you have to do the same thing as you have done in this question. Principal plus simple interest, you will find it out, you will get. Now after that the cost of the cow we have to find when he has returned 1 lakh rupees. So whatever extra amount he had, that will be the cost of the cow. So first of all find the simple interest, that will be P into R into T by 100. That is 80,000 into 12 into 3 divided by 100. Again 0 and 0 will cut each other. Now what is left? 800 multiply 12 into 3. When you will multiply we get 28,800. Now the amount the farmer has to return is principal plus simple interest. So principal was 80,000 plus simple interest, that is 28,800. When we add them we get 1,08,800. Now he has returned 1 lakh rupees. So how much is the cost of the cow? That is 8,800 rupees. Okay, let's move on to the next question. So question number 11. Here rate we have to find it out. So rate we can take it as R. Okay. The sum of the amount is not given but it is tripled after 10 years. Means it becomes 3x. If the amount was x, it became after 3 years it became 3x. And time is given 10 years. Okay. Now the simple interest we know, that is amount minus principal. So amount was 3x and the principal is x. So 3x minus x is 2x. So the simple interest value is 2x. Now we again write the formula of simple interest, that is P into R into T by 100. Now R is equals to, from the formula, simple interest multiply 100 divided by P into T. After that put all the values. So simple interest is 2x, 100, then principal is x and time is 10 years. After this solve it out, x and x will cut each other, 0 will cut, 2 into 10 is 20. So the rate was 20%. Okay. Next question is question number 12. Again the sum of the amount we are taking is x. The amount is doubled here, so it will become 2x. Now what is the simple interest? That is again amount minus principal, that is 2x minus x, that is x. So time is 8 years. Now the simple interest will be P into R into T by 100. Again the rate will be simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. Put the values. So x into 100 by x into 8. X will cut each other. So 100 by 8 will be 25 by 2. That is 12.5% per annum. We have found the rate. Now we have to find that at this rate what will be the amount after the time is given. So we have to find here the time. Okay, the rate is now given. Principal we have taken x. Simple interest is 3x minus x, that is 2x. Okay, now we have to find the time. Just put the values again. So t is equals to simple interest into 100 by p into r. Simple interest is 2x, multiply 100, x into 12 and a half. Okay, rate we have found out, we'll put the value of rate over here. Okay, now x will cut each other, so it will become 200 divided by 12 and a half. When we'll solve it out, it will become 25 by 2. So 25 by 2 will come up in the numerator. So 200 into 2. Okay, now we'll solve it out. So 400 by 25, that is equals to 16 years. Means after 16 years, the amount will become double when the rate is 12.5% per annum. Okay, class, that's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.